you love me, how much you care, how much you love me, and how much you care. Okay, Ramel, ask me a question. I'll answer you. Ask me a question, guys. Okay. I'm free right now. I am free right now. I am free. I am free. Okay. Hold on. I got bullying, guys. I got bullying. I just washed. My hair is still wet. I wash. I'm trying to dry out my hair before I go to sleep. Before I go to sleep. Say hi to my turkey. How does it feel to be in love? That's a good question. Okay. Um, how does it feel to? Oh, what the heck? Okay, guys. Okay. How does it feel to be in love? God, it's so good. It feels so good. Okay. You don't know how. It feels so good, Ramel. So now you know, okay? It's like it's like um it's like I'm a teenager. I feel like I'm a teenager again. Uh host, kinilig ka. I'm so kilig. Every time when it's when you talk about that, I get kilig talaga. I get so kilig. To be honest with you, yes, I do. Mm-hmm. I do. Uh-huh. But um I'm just hoping everything goes well. Do you feel young? Do you feel young romance in the air? What do you mean? What do you mean in the air? What's that? Are you floating in the air? Are you floating in the air? Ay, ay, ay. Oh my, oh my, oh my love, my darling, I'm hunger for your touch alone. Lonely time goes by so slow, and I can do so much. Yes, romance is your life is back. A romance in your life is back. Uh-huh. Yes, I think so. I think of that's what I understand. That's what I understand. That is what I understand. Okay? Um yeah. Um I think so. I don't know what to answer. I don't I don't know what to answer. Ay ay ay. So anyway, we Ramil, like and share naman. Uy, you never like me. You never like my live stream. Uh-huh. Please don't forget to like my live stream, guys. Okay. So, another question. She sings just because she's in love and everything just feels right. Yes. Of course, when you're in love, everything is right. Okay? Nothing can be wrong. Even if it's wrong, you can make it right. That is how you make it. That is how when you're in love. Okay? Okay. When you're in love to someone, when you're in love to someone your age, I mean older than me, there are so many people